Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a broken camera in Roblox Mobile. This issue can happen due to incorrect settings, outdated app versions, or temporary glitches. First, open Roblox and tap the Roblox icon at the top left. Then go ahead and open Settings. Scroll down until you find Camera Mode. Tap the arrow and make sure it is set to Classic. Once done, check if your camera is now working properly. Next, make sure Roblox is fully up to date. Open the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. If it shows Update instead of Install, update the app. If the issue still continues, uninstall the app completely. Then download it again from the App Store or Play Store and sign back in. Another important step is restarting your device. On Android, press and hold the power button and choose Restart. For iPhone, use the volume up, volume down, and press and hold method. Wait until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, reopen Roblox and join any game. Then check the camera angle again. And that's it. We just learned how to fix camera issues in Roblox Mobile by changing settings, updating the app, reinstalling it, and restarting your device. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.